New pin day. Wasn't supposed to be new pin day, but it's new pin day. Basically, this is a sailor, and I'm not even going to pretend that I didn't already open it and fill it up, because I did. And I opened the box upside down, because I'm awesome that way. Sailor. Okay. This is the Sailor Shikiori Sound of Rain series. This is Drizzle. This is the one that I wanted originally. Sorry about that snapping sound. That sounded pretty loud. This is the one I originally wanted. I bought this direct from Japan, where it's at least 100 pounds cheaper than buying it from anywhere in the UK. It has a 21 karat gold medium fine nib, and I put Sailor Shikiori Hara Hara in it. Let me get, which used to be in, where am I and what am I doing? Okay, so new pen day. So I've got the cartridges of Sailor Shikiori Hara Hara, because when I wanted to try the color, the ink bottles were gone anywhere around. So I bought the cartridges, and the Hara Hara used to be in, oh my gosh, the planning is so stunning. Used to be in this Sailor Shikiori Sound of Rain series, Spring Rain. So I ended up getting the Spring Rain because this one wasn't available, and I just wanted one. Had to have one. Had the money at the time, and the deal buying directly from Japan was great. So I put the Hara Hara in here, but now that I've got this one, the Hara Hara moved over into here, and I put Sailor, you know what, Ink Studio 162. So I thought maybe when I got this one, I'd sell this one. I seriously doubt I'm going to do that. I really like Sailor nibs. I like the medium fine. When I first got one, I didn't, but I do now. So, Sailor Shikiori Sound of Rain Drizzle. Medium fine, 21 karat gold nib. Filled with Sailor Shikiori Hara Hara. So I just took the cartridge out of this one, stuck it in that one. After cleaning the nib, of course, because my very first Sailor, I didn't flush the nib first, and it wrote horrible, and I hated it. And then somebody told me I needed to flush the nib. So this one is Sailor Shikiori Sound of Rain. What's this one called? Spring Rain. And this is a medium fine, 21K. And this one has Sailor Ink Studio 162, which I think goes really well with this pen. I mean, the Hara Hara worked with like the end of it, but I think that the inks really go now. Anyways, that is my new pen day. I'm very happy. I think that's my last Sailor. They can't get me, even though I do like those Captain Kirk ones. What are they called? Stellar Black Hole. I'm not even that into Star Trek, but it looks like Captain Kirk's outfit. But no, I won't do it. These should be fine. That's it. New pin day. Thank you.